Hello friends, welcome back to my sessions. So today we will be going to write one Java program to capitalize first letter of each word. So I will be going to put the comments in a code for a good understanding of everyone. So here I am just giving my problem statement. So that is basically capitalize the first letter of every word in a string. So, for example, if I say input as Java is fun. Now, example output as Java is fun. Fine. So let's move ahead with this. So I'm just giving string sentence Java is fun. Now in our next step, that is our step 2, we do one thing team, we just split sentence into words using space. So we will split sentence into words using space. Okay, for example, if I say Java is fun, so what it will do, it will take it in this way inside an array, that is Java is fun. Fine. So we will split words so it will be a string sort of array. So we will just try to split the words. So we'll just give sentence dot split. Now in our next step, we use string builder to build the final result. So we give string builder capitalized equals new string builder. Fine. Now we will try to loop through each word. So we do for int I is equal to 0, I is less than words dot length and I plus plus. Okay. So now you can mention here string word equals and indexing to indexing words I, and inside this give one condition if word dot length is greater than 0. In that case it just avoids the empty words. So we do one thing, we will convert first character to uppercase. So we'll give char first character equals character dot to uppercase word dot char at 0. Fine. Now we'll try to take the rest of the word as it is. So we will try take the rest of the word as it is. So we'll give string rest. Now if word dot length is greater than 1, word dot length is greater than 1, in that case rest equals word dot substring can give 1 dot to lowercase. Fine. So this is optional. I'm just trying to make rest or to lowercase. Fine. Now we'll try to append this to result. Append to result. So we'll give capitalized dot append first char dot append rest. Fine. Now we'll try to add space between words. We'll try to add space between words. So we'll give if I is less than words dot length minus 1. In that case, capitalized dot append with a space, and then we will print the results. Fine. So we'll give system.out.println original sentence, then modified capitalized dot to string. Okay, now let's see. Let's run this and see. So run as Java application. Perfect. So this was our expected output. So you could see here JAVA. So here uppercase J, uppercase I, uppercase F. So this is the simple, very simple logic which we have applied here. So if you see here, like how, by applying simple like to uppercase function, by just applying to lowercase function, we are just able to achieve what we want to get. Okay, so I hope you liked this session, and if you really liked it, do like and subscribe it, and stay tuned for more upcoming videos like this. Thank you everyone.